Hello friends, welcome back to Canada Newcomer. In today's video, we're going to talk about what to do if you receive a refusal letter for your application. First, carefully read the refusal letter and identify the exact reason your application was denied. Once you know the reason, you can prepare the necessary documents to fix the issue and increase your chances of approval when you reapply. If you're applying from inside Canada, it's very important to check whether your legal status is still valid, especially for those on a work permit applying for an extension. If your work permit extension is refused, the refusal letter will usually mention that you have 90 days to submit a new application. But when you reapply within these 90 days makes a huge difference. Let's go through an example. Let's say your current work permit expires on February 10 and you receive a refusal letter for your extension on February 3. If you reapply before February 10, your new application will be considered a regular extension while your work permit is still valid. You can continue working legally while waiting for the new permit, this condition called maintained status. However, if you wait until after February 10 to submit your application, even though you're still within the 90-day window, your work permit will already be expired. You must submit a restoration of status application along with your work permit application, and then stop working until you get a new permit. If your work permit was already expired by the time you received the refusal letter, then unfortunately, you do not qualify for maintained status anymore. In this case, you must immediately stop working and inform your employer of the situation. And when you reapply, you must submit a restoration of status application at the same time. Now, let's quickly walk through how to apply for restoration of status. First, log into your ERC account and answer a series of questions. You can see here that my work permit has expired. After this answer, the system will automatically generate an application list for you. Upload the files according to the application list and pay the payment. Requires personal information IMM 5710 form. Family information IMM 5707 form, passport, photo, marriage certificate, and visas of family members. In the optional documents, personal career information, IMM 5257 form. Client information, you can attach a letter of explanation explaining why you have not left the country after your visa expires. Finally, we need to confirm that the application fee for a work visa, the restoration of status, and the work permit holder fee. Basically, it is the same as a normal work permit application, whether you are applying for a work permit with same employer or a new employer. In the third question of the IMM 5710 form, you need to check Restore My Status as a Worker. Then complete the form and upload it. You are done. That's today's video. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Still got questions? Welcome to leave a comment below. See you next time.